need to upload a document to DeepSeek AI. Whether it's a PDF, Word file, or another supported format, the process is quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open the DeepSeek AI app on your device. Now, tap the ++ button on the right side of your screen. This will bring up three options. Select Document to proceed. A file explorer will now appear, allowing you to browse through your folders. Find the document you want to upload and tap on it. If you need to upload multiple files at once, simply tap Select All to choose everything in the folder. Once you've selected your files, look for the Open button at the top right corner and tap it. DeepSeek will then process your files and your documents will be successfully uploaded. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.